Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful and very attractive Christmas special card, and this is a side step card. You can also say it pop-up card, and all these are handmade embellishments. So I will show you how to color these embellishments and how to fussy cut these. I have created some trees, bell, this cute snowman, and of course our beloved Santa Claus. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. For this we need ruler, some watercolor cakes, pencil, liquid glue, paintbrush, star punch, double-sided foam tape, some acetate sheet, some pattern papers and blue color thick sheet. First I am taking this 250 GSM blue color thick sheet which measures 21.5 by 14 centimeters, and from the left side I am marking some points. So I am marking on 2.5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 9, 12 and 16.5 centimeters. Now rotate your paper, and now from left side I am marking on 7.5 centimeter. I am marking for one more time on 7.5. Now we just need to leave this 2.5 centimeter gap while making this horizontal line. So first I am creating these markings which we have created earlier, like this. Now rotate your paper and just create one 7.5 centimeter line till this point only. Leave this gap. Now in the bottom also I am marking from left side on 10.3 centimeter. Make one line as well. So basic linings and markings are done. Now I am just creasing all the lines using my pen which is not working. You can also use bone folder or ball tool to create these creases. Now I am taking my paper cutter and cutting the center line from this point to this lower point, only between this. Okay, so just take your paper cutter and start cutting this center line. So this is done. Now I am folding all the creases. Do it very slowly and carefully. So creasing part is done. Now I am folding all the lines in zigzag manner like this. So it will look like this from sides. Now I am just rotating my paper and folding again to create our card base like this. So the card base is ready. Now I will decorate my card using some pattern papers. So just add glue and start adding all the pattern papers one by one. So the card is ready. Now we will decorate it. I have created some Christmas related ornaments or embellishments, and if you want these, I have given link in description box for the template. You can download from there and just start coloring with me. So I'm using camel watercolor cakes to color all these embellishments. So just enjoy the coloring part, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. So the coloring is done. Now I will fussy cut all these elements using my scissor. So now I am just separating all the parts from the sheet, and now just start fussy cutting. I am just leaving little gap around the image. Little white gap will look nice. So continue this process. So this is done. In the same way I will fussy cut all other embellishments. So after cutting all the embellishments, it will look like this. Now I will show you how to create these star punch hangings. For this I am taking one strip of acetate sheet or OHP sheet. Just add glue and adding one star punch which I have cut on yellow paper. On back side also I am adding one more star punch. So the hanging is ready. In the same way I have created some more stars. Now I will start adding all these embellishments and elements one by one. On the back side of Santa I have added some double-sided foam tape to give it little 3D look. So I am just removing all the liners and connecting Santa on this flap. Now I will connect other embellishments one by one. So after adding all the embellishments, the card will look like this. Isn't it looking very beautiful and interactive? Now I have created this Merry Christmas handwritten sentiment. I will connect this on top of the card. So just add glue on back side and connect this sentiment like this. So the card is ready. You can add any extra messages inside the card. So the beautiful Christmas card is done. My project is ready. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. See you next time. Bye bye.